Top of the top. We on our way to the vet. Second set of shots. And the puppies are safe and secure in the seatbelt, everybody. Alright, everybody. We heading to the vet. I'll let y'all see what's going on next, baby. Let's go. Alright, y'all. So we here. I don't have anything to put the pups in. The house is getting painted. Everything's moved, shifted around. I thought I was on grab and go mode. But it's under some stuff. I could have still grabbed it and left, but I didn't want to move nothing while the painters are painting. I was going to enjoy it and paint myself, but I'm going to just grab the pups, y'all. We just, you know, sometimes you got to juggle, man. So we're going to get the pups, man. Let's check them out. In the car chilling. Let's get them going, man. To the vet. Second set of shots, baby. All right.
10.5 pounds for today.
All right. This is Tia Cooper.
All right. 14.2 pounds.
14.2.
Yeah.
Now we're going. Gwaan. I wish I had a fed him now.
16 pounds, 2 ounces.
Gwaan.
He's big.
Yeah, that's a big boy. As y'all can see, Gwaan, a big boy, man. I ain't even fed him. 16 pounds, a little over 16 pounds. Next up, we gotta get that bird standing up. You see how this one is at a point? Can you see how this one is at a point? But this one got a little creases. So we're gonna get it right and tight. The top plate, we're gonna get it right. So be looking out for that video. Yes, sir. Wow, so cool, so chill, y'all. He really to himself. He's just a good boy, y'all. Sheesh.
Why are you getting so big? You ain't allowed to get big.
And you see how beautiful she is? She didn't turn tricolor.
Yeah. Oh my goodness.
We didn't see that on her at first. She came through.
Yeah, she did. Look at you. Look at you, huh? You're so big. You got a big fat belly too. Yeah, you got a big fat belly too. Oh, goodness.
Okay.
Your turn's coming.
Gwaan was 16 pounds. I ain't even fed them since last night. So I'm trying to imagine what he would have been if I weighed him. I ain't weighed him last night. I was waiting until I got hurt. Her color's so beautiful. How's it going, dog? They looking beautiful.
It's going good.
They looking beautiful. I'm only down to Beyonce. It's single leg for a reason.
That's right. It's just you.
Look at that girl.
My girl still be tripping out there. Why you get swimming like that?
And then she the last lady left. She the last girl left.
Where's your little man at? Your little baby?
He with his mom today.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, he was hyped to come, but he's in a wedding today.
Oh, okay.
So,
I was looking forward to seeing his little handsome face.
yeah, he love y'all here.
Okay, you done.
Gwaan.
That's a big boy.
That's a big boy.
Oh, he's a big boy.
Gwaan, everybody.
Look at him already stacking. Look at that.
Yeah, you see that? He's in them.
He's like, I know what to do. I know what to do.
he unreal in person, man.
For real.
And he only 9 weeks.
He's gonna be something special.
Older than 9 weeks.
He got a nice rear too.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
So this is their second distemper parvo vaccine, and then they're getting their kennel cough vaccine, which is the one that goes in the nose.
Great. We need that.
Yes.
We need
Oh,
that.
that wasn't so bad, was it? It wasn't so bad. All right. right.
Gwaan.
Who next? Oh, you.
Yes, Tia Cool.
Oh, hello, gorgeous.
He miss her. That's a big girl too. She looks just like a dad, King V.
Yeah, you look just like your dad.
She got the green eyes and all. And she crazy like him too. She's 0 to 100 all day. He just put their body on.
Man, he's so big.
He is so big. Gwaan, everybody.
That's crazy.
We gotta get that ear standing up straight. Everybody else's ears a whole little out of 10. All of them ears was good. Gwaan got a little crease. He like to lay upside down.
Yeah. Man, he's so big, he can put Planet White on. That's crazy.
All right. Okay, Beyonce.
We down to the single lady.
Oh, God, it's hot. Oh, hello.
Beyonce, everybody. Look at that girl. Beyonce. Beyonce got some nice little hair on. That's your sister, bro. You'll be a stud one day soon. Not now.
This is no action she gives right now. And she ain't saying no dog.
But she love it. Look at that color on her. You gotta see it. I'm gonna get it.
She's
Gorgeous.
gorgeous, yeah. You got real lucky with your pups.
I did.
You did.
I did.
With all the different colors and everything else, you know.
Yeah,
So many times they throw 8 dogs that look all alike, and not that there's anything wrong with that, but it's when you get all the different colors.
That's what we saying, the uniqueness in the litter. We had a couple of those different textures of fawns, chocolate tries, and then she was really the only one like that. Well, the brindle one, yes. But she got a brindle. It was a crazy litter.
Yeah.
But I've been studying a long time. MuMu's 3, so I've been studying to try to put her with the right male. I lined up the genotypes. I was studying the phenotypes, and then I was like, I thought I would get. I didn't even expect this. I'm gonna say that. I expected a couple of them that I got, but it really surprised me how unique they litter.
Yep.
But still consistent in it was like 3 this one, 3 this one, 2. Yeah. So
Yeah.
You're right. I looked up on it.
And just, you know, they're built too, you know, they're nice broad shoulders already, and like I said, they're already stacking nice, so.
Yeah, extremely please. These are some nice pups.
Absolutely.
Yeah, I love it.
Beyonce left, no, you're keeping.
Yep, I'm keeping Gwaan.
Okay.
And Tia Cooper.
Okay.
And so I have to.
You just really only have her left. So if she gets sold before the next set, just bring the book by.
And we'll and
I'll sign it.
Good, good.
And then otherwise I'll just sign theirs next time.
Okay.
So next set of boosters in 3 weeks. Okay.
Okay. We'll set up a time for 3 weeks. We knocked out the second set and the kennel code.
Yep.
Yeah. Appreciate that, Doc.
No problem.
Thank
Good to see you. Absolutely. Let me go get your book signed, and we'll see you in 3 weeks.
You just told her all the man. Oh man.
Gwaan different.
He gonna take me to the promised
For real.
land. That's crazy, man.
He is. And like this camera is cool, but it's still not showing what you see in the flesh.
Yeah.
It's 9 weeks. And then when I feed him, it's just, he got a whole nother pop. Somebody got a nice lab bar.
He's about 4 or 5 months.
Alright. Time to worm the puppy. Look at Gwaan.
Time to get dewormed.
Yes.
Alright, so who's the one who got here late today?
We got
What's the name on that one?
Layla.
Layla?
Yeah, y'all in the video I was calling her Lola. I done made a whole Lola and she Layla.
L-A-Y-L-A?
Tricolor, y'all see that?
10.1.
10.1
ounce. So we're gonna go ahead.
Yes, banana flavor.
Okay. 3 more pounds.
Ooh, good.
That's probably like another month.
Yeah. There we go. Ooh. There we go. She's so sweet, like she's so cut up.
There we go.
There
we go. Alright. So if you see any worms when they poop out in the this week or so, that's normal, so don't be alarmed, okay?
Okay. Yeah, the deworm gonna knock them out.
The vaccines, they probably will be sleepy, the vaccines.
Great. We can use that, especially with her. Cool, who don't stop. She can't stop, won't stop.
Already. Any other questions, concerns?
Oh no, pretty good. We appreciate everything, man. We just loving it. We got one that's gone to a home and she came back and rekindled with the little mates, a few of them still. So we just enjoying the vibe, man. It's good second shot vibes, man.
Yeah.
Let's go. Good job. Good job.
All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Beautiful puppies.
But I had to get on now.
Yes, we have some beautiful bulls. Tricolor. Yes. Hey, sir, you said I can have your dog back? Top. So we're here, y'all. The house is getting painted. Once again, the house is getting painted. So the next couple of videos, well, every video pretty much after this, you'll see the background will be different. Let me show you the pups, y'all. So the pups are usually in their own little area, but as I stated, we got stuff everywhere, y'all. So I got them down here out the way. They chilling in their kennel. They got their own little space too. So I just want to let y'all see this is the only one available. Last pup available is Beyonce, everybody. So shout out to everybody who's purchased a pup. If you're interested in a pup, I have 1 pup left. Out of 10 puppies, I have 1 left. 9 weeks old. Just had a second set of shots. Up to date on everything. She is good. So I'm letting her go for $8,500. So hey, King V times MuMu Fresh. Let's get it, y'all. Top.